Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you a printer installation error and solution. When I install printer, this is printer driver install. You see, this is installation error. The installation was not successful. And another way, go to control panel, device and printer, add printer and click here and next and select next. Here you click next and wait sometimes and hard disk, browse and select the driver info. Next, OK, select printer and next again, and you see here this another error. After coming this type of error, you will follow the process. Recovery and advanced setup, restart now. You will click here and wait sometimes. After restarting the PC, you click troubleshoot, advanced option, startup settings and restart. And here you see some numeric. Press 7 from keyboard. Click start, settings, device and printer, add printer. Click here, select next and next. Hard disk, browse and select info and open. OK, select OK. This method solved about 90% of printer problems, and if the problem is not solved, you will need to reinstall Windows. Many people think that this problem is a printer problem, but in fact it's not a printer problem. It is a Windows problem, so you need reinstall Windows again. After doing that, this problem will be solved must. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.